Thorough market research. Understand your target audience, competitors, and trends to identify profitable product niches. Product selection. Choose products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Quality product sourcing. Ensure your products are of high quality, safe, and meet customer expectations. Branding and listing optimization. Create a unique and appealing brand identity and optimize your product listings for better search rankings. Competitive pricing. Set competitive prices that balance profitability with attracting customers. Effective inventory management. Monitor stock levels, avoid overstocking or understocking, and maintain a healthy inventory turnover rate. Optimal storage and shipping. Utilize Amazon's FBA storage and shipping services efficiently to minimize costs and ensure timely delivery. Keyword research and implementation. Use relevant keywords in your listings to improve search rankings and visibility. High-quality product photography and videos. Showcase your products with professional-looking images and videos to increase conversions. Compelling product descriptions. Write detailed, informative, and persuasive product descriptions to help customers make informed buying decisions. Customer reviews management. Encourage positive reviews and address negative feedback promptly to maintain a good seller rating. Amazon advertising. Utilize Amazon's advertising platforms, e.g., sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display, to boost visibility and sales. Email marketing and retargeting. Build relationships with customers through personalized email campaigns and retargeting ads. Social media presence. Establish a strong social media presence to engage with customers and promote your brand. Blogging and content marketing. Create valuable content to attract organic traffic and establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Amazon SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your listings and product pages to rank higher in Amazon's search results. Monitoring and analyzing sales data. Regularly analyze sales data to identify trends, opportunities, and areas for improvement. Product launch strategies. Develop effective product launch strategies to create buzz and generate sales. Scaling your business. Implement strategies to grow your Amazon FBA business, such as expanding your product line or targeting new markets. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with Amazon's policies, trends, and best practices to adapt your strategies and maintain success.